guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to change font size in Android. So let's get started. If you are trying to change your font size in your Android device, now to do that what you have to do is just simply open up your settings, and after opening up your settings, now in search bar you have to search for style. So just simply type in style, and after typing in styles, now you can change your font settings. So now in order to change it, what you have to do is just simply create a new theme. And after creating a new theme, now you can see guys, I only have 4 font styles in my device currently, but if you have more, then you can just simply select it and then tap on next. You can also change the color if you want. So I'll just simply change it to brown and then select the icon shape. And after selecting them, now I'll just recommend you to choose a layout of 5x5 and then tap on next, and now you can just simply name your theme. And after naming it, just tap on next, and now you have successfully named it. Now you just have to go ahead and then tap on apply, and after applying it, now you can see guys, the style has been changed. So after changing your style, now what I'll recommend you is, now you just have to go ahead and then change your font size. So now what you can do is just simply type in font size, and after searching for font size, you will find this option. Now just simply tap on it, and now you can change your font size to the preferred option. So you can make it larger, largest, or you can make it smaller or smallest. So that's it guys, this is how to change the font style in Android. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.